Hello YouTube, and today I'm just going to go to my Firework part 2. This is probably going to be the last one, because I just already spent quite a lot, so I just went to the range to pick a few things up. Got the Mighty Atom, I don't know which one this is. This is Invasion of the Spiders, 25 shot barrage, and it's got, let's see, I think it's 133 grams. Yeah, 133.8 grams of weight in that. Then I've also picked up another Mighty Atom, another 25 shot barrage. This is the, let's see, Battle of the Killer Bees. Yeah, it's got, I think it's got 160 grams in this. So yeah. I've got the Wrath of the Gods as my finale piece. Yeah, this is pretty hefty. Don't know what size bore it's got. Don't know much to do with that. There you can put like my thumb compared to it. So yeah, this is a 32 shot barrage, and it has got, I can't lift it up, it's pretty heavy. It has got 540 grams in it. Red tail to red and green, silver tail to silver palm. Yeah, pretty quite big. That's going to be my finale piece. And then lastly, oh my god, this thing's heavy as well. Lastly, I've got my another selection box because I just couldn't resist. I just had to get it. Let's see. So that'll be in the party selection box. There'll be an unboxing of this. It's got 730 grams in it, pt2. I don't know how many pieces it's got in it. Yeah, it doesn't say how many pieces it's got in it. But yeah, that's the rest of my stash, and that's all it's gonna be. Right, see you.